Hey guys, 2015 Cadillac CTS-V, two-door coupe, rebuilt title. Rebuilt title is due to some mechanical issue where the dash didn't come up. Therefore, it's not actual mileage, but it is actual mileage. If you read on the Carfax, there was a reading right before it went salvage, so all proven that it has actual mileage. Diffuser has a few little nicks in it, not perfect. It's got good tires. It's got Corsa Exhaust on it, if you want to see that real quick. It's got the Recardo seats. $84,994 on the miles. Cruise control, heated cooled seats, smart key with remote start, backup camera, sunroof. Bose sound system.
Unknown caller.
Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.